मैं फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा है ना, इसलिए।
2000 टका है।
इसका नाम क्या है?
Can you see this? This is sting bugs.
जिंग।
It is consumed by the Naga people here in this Peren district. You can see that it's a sting bug. Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my another video. Right now I am in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. This is the place I stayed yesterday night. This is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Peren district, that is in Jaluki. Now I'm going towards Jaluki. It's a small town nearby this Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. You can see the beauty of the town. It's a small town. The weather is very nice. You can see the auto rickshaws here. The road is not that much big, this small road. Peren district is very famous for rice cultivation, so this is the place for a rice bowl festival. It is in the Jaluki area of Peren district. You can see the festival of rice bowl. Nearby there was a football match. It's a tournament, so I just came to witness the match. You can see the ground is also very nice. So many people are here. This is also a part of the festival, so in order to see, I just came and I saw so many people there, their entertainment. So many people, you can see the traditional way of dressing. People were watching it, the football ground and the football match. So many vendors were also there. Now I went back to my Navodaya memories. You can see the students here in this Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is spending their evening time by playing this game. The place is very nice. This Janvi is very nice. You can see the ground. This is from the building. There is a tank. You can see the ground of the Janvi. This campus is very small but beautiful. It's all green, and the faculties, the students are also very nice here. This is the main road which is going towards the major buildings. So beautiful campus. In the festival I could see all this variety of rice cultivation which is practiced in Nagaland's Peren district. You can see the shape, size of the paddy. It is something different. Neibuna. So you might have heard about the Jhum cultivation or the slash and burn cultivation in the northeastern part of India. You will see all this rice cultivation in the Jhum practices. It's also known as shifting cultivation. Ngamei, Jhum, all these are cultivated in Jhum fields. You can see there are different varieties of rice cultivation, and the most important thing is that bamboo is also plenty here. See the rice. Since it is a rice bowl festival, you can see different varieties of rice cultivation here. That was Jaluki variety, Hepate. All these are Jhum cultivation. Now you can see the panoramic view of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. You can see the horizons, the clouds, the mountains, the buildings. This is a very nice location. You can see the paddy fields also there. The Naga Hills is so beautiful. This is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Jaluki. It is in Peren district of Nagaland. That is the stage. These are the buildings. It's a beautiful campus. We are going for a ride towards a village area nearby. You can see the road is not that much good, but the environment is very nice, so green. The road is so narrow, like any other northeastern part. From here you need to take a left. You can see that Peren district, it is written there. There's a small bridge. The day is so sunny. We are proceeding towards that village. There's a river down, but water is very less. It's a hilly district. Like any other northeastern states, this area is also hilly. You can see the mountains and different varieties of cultivation. There's two way to reach this village. We are going towards another way and we'll come back to another road. See the view. What a beauty. The beautiful Naga hills. This is the village. The name of the village is written there. Now we are going inside the village. Let us explore the village area. The buildings, you can see Arakanat plantation here, bamboo made houses. So beautiful. We are in Kajanglua village. Kajanglua is a village in the Peren district of Nagaland. It is located in the Jaluki circle. You can see the beauty of the village. Can you see that? The buildings are traditional, way they cultivated. It's very famous village in Peren district. You can see even some of the orange plantation here, and even Arakanads are also very popular here. Can you see the houses? It looks, the houses are all very nicely furnished and with made up of, even concrete buildings are also here. Bamboo made buildings and even Arakanad plantations can also be observed here in this village. This is a rich man's house. You can see very rich people are also there. Landladies. So many area is this village. This is a very big village. So beautiful, and in between the village there is a big ground and a church. This is a famous school here. You can see the view of the paddy fields from there. The yellow color shows the paddy field. This is the ground. It's a big ground, mostly football ground, and some programs also used to happen here. This is some of the Christian programs which is happening here in this village. The view from this village is also very nice. The yellow color things are paddy fields. Rice cultivation is very prominent here in this village area and even in the Peren district. Some program function is going on there. I love the view from here. There is a river flowing down and we are now going back towards Jaluki town. There is another road, but the roads are not in a good condition, but the houses are very nice. Roads are, you see the bamboo houses. The roads are under construction and so many potholes are also there in the road. You see there are so many mango trees, and houses are also very beautiful, simple houses. Some of the houses are made up of mud and some palm leaves. So beautiful. Please come and observe, come and enjoy the village life of Nagaland here. You can see the wood story where they are storing the woods for their future purposes. The road is so bad. We need to go through this road. It's so, slippery, as well as the slope is too much. See this. You can read from there, stone figured women dressed believed to be, this is about a belief. And now we are going to see a river. Here you can see a river. Sand mining is very prominent here in this area. And you can even see some of the, paddy cultivation places. This river is not that much big, but still water is available here, and people used to come and come here for fishing and even for sand mining. While coming, we saw so many lorries in that particular place, but they told us don't take video. That's why I couldn't take video. Now you can see the bridge through which we came. Place is very nice. See the paddy fields, already harvest is done. The sun is shining very nicely. Now the beauty, the rice bowl. See this, we are going back now. But it's very difficult to drive through the roads now. You know, a riverbed become a road. We need to cross this. The road towards this area is not that much good. Even though the Nagaland government is doing so many things, but condition of the roads are not that much good. We're going back to our school. See this. The camera is shaking because of the road. Sorry for that. This time the content of the video may be good because I'm showing you the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya and the neighborhood. This is the gate of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. The students are here. They want to say something, but see this. The campus is so beautiful. We're going towards the campus. The buildings are also very nicely constructed, and I was staying in the guest house. So this is the main campus.
Respected guest of the day, Speaker Mrs. Vatila Prasad, and the guest of the day, the friends who have come with her, all the staff members and my dear children. Maybe just remembering the first song we had, right? ईसो ने कमाल दिखाया, right? डब्बा बनाया. Right, so these are all some wonderful things that Jesus has done. Different varieties of curries, sabjis, right? If you make pork, chicken, fish, aloo, or whatever may be the sabjis, one thing is common for everything. Can you say what is it? Salt. So the principal speech is also like that. Whenever there is a program in the school, there will be one principal, please. Right? But
Now you can see this, how they are giving light to this. Now pre-Christmas function has been started here in this Jain week. You please watch and enjoy.
ഐഡിയ കൊള്ളാം കേട്ടോ, നല്ല ഐഡിയ മാറേ. ശരിയാ. কি বলেছে?
Vale.